Welcome to Doba tutorial. In a previous video, we've talked about the purchase orders page and different statuses of orders. In this one, we'll tell you about the actions you may or should take on your orders of different statuses. Now, let's begin. For orders of different status, you will find up to 6 action links. They are: View Details, Cancel Order, Request Refund, Request Return, Contact Seller, and Marked as Received. You may find the View Details link on any order. By clicking it, you will enter the order's details page. Here, you may find your order status, order time, order ID, warehouse location, and shipping method. Here, you may view the order summary, product cost, shipping cost, tax, and total cost. You will also find shipping info for your completed orders. You may click Print Order to print it out. Or click Invoice to download the invoice as a PDF file. Or print it out as well. You may find the Cancel Order link on your awaiting payment orders. Click it. Choose the reason. Leave your comment. And click OK to cancel the order. You may find the Request Refund link on your pending and unshipped order. Click it. You will enter the refund order page. Here, please enter the refund reason. Leave your comment. Attach a picture if necessary. Finally, please click Submit to finish. You may find the Contact Seller link on your pending, unshipped, and in refund order. Just click the link if you have something to discuss with the seller. You may find the Request Return link on your in-transit and completed order. By clicking it, you will enter the refund order page. Here, please enter the refund quantity, refund type, refund amount, refund reason. Leave your comment. Attach a picture if necessary. Finally, please click Submit to finish. You may find the Marked as Received link on your in-transit orders. If the orders are well received, you may click this link to mark them. Then Doba will change the status into completed. But if there's something wrong with the order after it's completed, you may also request a return and/or refund. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.